joining us today for our Thinkers and Tinkerers program at the Panuco Jubilee Library. Today we have something really exciting. We have made magnetic slime. Now my guy is a little bit dried out because I've been playing with him for about an hour. But you can see here he is still very stretchy and still a lot of fun to play with. So you're going to get some liquid starch, some glue, and some iron shavings, as well as a magnet. And so what I found is the more iron clippings that it goes into your slime, obviously the stronger it will attract your magnet, and vice versa. So what I would suggest is when you are mixing, so the liquid starch is the bonding agent that kind of cements this concoction into slime and sets it. So I would suggest mixing the iron fillings with the glue and then adding in your starch. So keep about half of your iron fillings separate until after it is set as much as you are happy with, and then add in your extra iron fillings and mix it in. That way you don't lose too much of the fillings during your mixing process and the setting process. A little bit will fall to the wayside, and that's just kind of how this goes. But to get your strongest pull, I would mix maybe even less than half in the original mixture. Make sure your slime is nice and set, and then start folding in the rest of the iron. You guys can make little obstacles to see if your slime will climb up to be with its magnet, or just little other obstacles and experiments to see what happens. This is hours of fun. So let's see what you guys come up with. Post pictures below, show us what you're coming up with. Make sure you call the library and get your kit reserved for you. Woo! That's it for now, guys. Enjoy. We'll see you next time.